Darling, use English sentence. No, I don't want. No, I don't want. See you. See you. See you next time. See you next time. So I do. So I do. So. Allow me. Allow me. I can't wait. I can't wait. I don't have time. I don't have time. I am busy. I am busy. I am tired. I am tired. I don't have time. I don't have time. I am busy. I am busy. I am tired. I am tired. I don't agree. I don't agree. Champ. Champ. Come on. Come on. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Don't move. Don't move. Don't worry. Don't worry. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Are you done? Are you done? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Did you get it? Did you get it? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? How are you? How are you? Follow me. Follow me. God bless you. God bless you. It's very thoughtful of you. It's very thoughtful of you. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Stop making such a noise. Stop making such a noise.
I admire you. I admire you. I apologize. I apologize. They like each other. They like each other. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's catch up. Let's catch up. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time.
I feel much better. I feel much better. Believe me. Believe me. Call me back. Call me back. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I do not understand. I do not understand. I do not mean it. I do not mean it. How much is it? How much is it? How old are you? How old are you? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? How did you say? How did you say? What do you need? What do you need? What do you sing? What do you sing? What do you want to do? What do you want to do?